Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some much needed maintenance on the old B12 Nissan Sentra right here. We're going to be doing an oil change with some Valvoline high mileage 10W40 as well as an engine air filter, and then we've got some gaskets. These will be linked in the description below. These are for the drain plug, and that's pretty much all we're doing in this video. This thing needs just a little bit of maintenance. We've been doing some fun stuff recently, actually like getting this thing up to shape. It's time to do some kind of boring stuff, but hopefully I'll make it interesting for you guys. Okay guys, while the rest of that oil is draining, I want to talk to you guys one-on-one real quick. Just give you guys kind of a general update on the channel and how I'm doing and how everything's going. So first off, we hit 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing, which means I get monetized, so I'm getting a small kickback from every single video. I'm getting a couple dollars for every video, which is amazing. Also guys, the Amazon affiliate links help out the channel immensely. You guys probably have no idea. A couple dollars here and there really helps. I'm able to put all that right back into the videos, do more work on the Sentra, make more videos for you guys. So if you guys are interested in any of the products, there'll be links to them down in the description below. If you saw those super cool socket rails, those are from Ernst, and then also the gaskets for the oil drain bolts are gonna be also linked below. Also guys, that rubber pad that I put on the jack, that thing is super useful. It's to protect your pinch welds from getting absolutely folded and baconed, so that will be linked down below. That's like $8. That thing's super amazing. And then as for the future of the channel, I'm gonna have a huge update video coming out very soon for you guys. If you're watching this video, here's a little secret between me and you guys. I'm gonna move to Japan, so keep your eyes out for more Japan content soon in the future. Okay, let's get back to the oil change.
Baby, gon' take me on a day in the Benz truck, find out to sleep. Yeah, I guess it's just my bad luck. I feel like all my friends think that I'm fucking up. Baby, gon' take me on a day in the Benz truck, find out to sleep. Yeah, I guess it's just my bad luck. My baby gonna act like she don't, but she wanna fuck. I feel like all my friends think that I'm fucking up. Baby, gon' take me on a day in the Benz truck, find out to sleep. Yeah, I guess it's just my bad luck. My baby gonna act like she don't, but she wanna fuck.
Alright gang, so we got the drain plug nice and snugged up, and then we also got the oil filter hand tight on there, and we filled it with 3.5 quarts of 1040 high mileage Valvoline. So now I'm gonna start it up on the jack stands, look underneath, make sure there's no leaks, make sure the oil filter gasket didn't, you know, pinch itself in some weird way, and then after we ran it for just a second, shut it off, drop it down, get the air filter in.
It's just my bad luck. My baby gonna act like she don't, but she wanna fuck.
Looks like we're all good under there. There's no leaks from the oil filter, there's no leaks from the drain bolt. So now we're gonna drop the thing down, get this air filter installed, and then while we're at it, we're also gonna check pressures and then check all the wheels torque, because I'm going on a little road trip tomorrow. So let's get that done. Air filter time. You guys are never gonna guess where I got this. Amazon, baby. Okay, and just because I'm going on a little road trip tomorrow, I'm gonna check all the torque on the lug nuts, and then I'm also gonna pump up the tires, and I don't have an air compressor, so... If there's an air compressor company watching this, I would gladly take a sponsor. Okay, thank Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys check out the links, and then I think I also might have plugged some stickers and then maybe some t-shirts that actually are either coming out or coming out in the future, so check that out as well. Yeah, I know there's a bunch of new people here. I hope you guys watched to the end. If you didn't, I understand. You might just be here for shorts and cool Japan stuff, but this is what I really enjoy doing as well, so there's gonna be content about this. Yeah, that's about all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Sleep, yeah, I guess it's just my bad luck. I feel like all my friends